are here in Nami Island. Let's go. Nakatulog ang mga bata. And we're here in Nami Island. Wala pa pala. Sasakay pa kami ng ferry. Ayan, marami pa tao. Punta muna kami cafe. I need coffee. So, yes, nandito na kami. Bago kami pumasok sa loob. Bibili lang muna akong cafe. Namiss ko dito. Dito na kami bumili ng ticket. Di na kami nag-clock. Tinamad ako magbili ng ticket sa clock. What's your favorite chips? Okay, we pay that there. Go. Yeah, but this is Chardonnay. I don't drink Chardonnay.
That Moscato.
I don't like Moscato. It's too sweet for me. No Sauvignon Blanc. Tell me that you're gonna buy that. Daddy asked you to ask me. And you said yes. Huh?
Yeah.
Diyan kami picture ni Paul. Oo. Ferry. Yeah, we have picture there to that flag. Remember?
Where?
There.
Yeah.
For sa'yo, I don't wanna change. Ayan ko. Thank you. Finally, we're here. 2 minutes lang naman ata yung ferry. Mabilis na yun. Kaya yung iba nakatayo talaga. And we're here. Tada! Nung nandito kami ni Paul, mga yan parang yellow. Kasi November pa, winter na. Taglagas nun maganda. Ngayon all green na.
Try this.
Let's try.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Okay, good. Get many croissant.
I got two. I thought you might want a croissant there. It's a famous thing there.
So, nagdidrink muna siya ng lemonade habang nagtitiktok yung tatlo doon. So, kumakain pa yung asawa ko kasi hindi siya nag-breakfast kanina. So, baka titignan ko kung kung mamaya mag-zipline at maghanap muna kami ng bike dito. And then, magre-rail bike ata kami. Tapos, pupunta din kami sa Alpaca. Marami naman kayo magagawa dito. Maganda sana yung nung pumunta kami dito noong November. Ang ganda ng mga color ng mga trees. Ngayon, green na siya. Oh, kiss kayo. Kiss Kendall. Love, love. Oy, don't touch that. Don't touch that. Don't touch. Let's go.